So let's start from here. When they reached the school, the children were already in their classrooms. Ramlal handed over his daughter to the headmistress. Left alone, the poor girl looked about her with fear laden eyes. So her eyes were full of fear. She was really frightened to be in the school. There were several rooms, and in each room, girls like her squatted on mats. Squatted means when you sit with crisscross legs, that is known as squatting. So, squatting on mats, reading from books or writing on slates. The headmistress asked Bholi to sit down in a corner in one of the classrooms. So, she was made to sit in one of the classrooms on the corner. Boli did not know what exactly a school was like and what happened there, but she was glad to find so many girls almost of her own age present there. She hoped that one of these girls might become her friend. So she did not know what exactly a school was like and what happened there, but she was glad to find so many girls almost of her age, and she knew that she would make one of the girls her friends. The lady teacher who was in the class was saying something to the girls, but Bholi could understand nothing. She looked at the pictures on the wall. The colors fascinated her. Fascinated means attracted her. The horse was brown, just like the horse on which the Tehsildar had come to visit their village. The goat was black, like the goat of their neighbor. The parrot was green, like the parrot she had seen in the mango orchard, and the cow was just like their Lakshmi. And suddenly, Bholi noticed that the teacher was standing by her side, smiling at her. What's your name, little one? Bho, Bho, Bho. She could stammer no further than that. Then she began to cry, and tears flowed from her eyes in a helpless flood. She kept her head down as she sat in her corner, not daring to look up at the girls who she knew were still laughing at her. So, when the teacher asked Bholi her name, she stammered. And when she started stammering, all the other girls they started laughing. When the school bell rang, all the girls scurried out of the classroom. Scurried means they moved out of the classroom quickly. Scurried is moving out quickly. So they moved out of the classroom quickly, but Bholi dared not leave her corner. Her head still lowered, she kept on sobbing. She kept on crying. Bholi, the teacher's voice was so soft and soothing, means so soft and calm. In all her life, she had never been called like that. It touched her heart. So, see, the teacher was very soft hearted. The teacher was very kind hearted with Bholi. Get up, said the teacher. It was not a command, but a friendly suggestion. Bholi got up. Now tell me your name. Sweat broke out over her whole body. So she was sweating again because she was frightened. Would a stammering tongue again disgrace her? Means she a question came that would that stammering tongue would insult her. For the sake of this kind woman, however, she decided to make an effort. She had such a soothing voice, she would not laugh at her. Boo, 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 she began to stammer. Well done, the teacher encouraged. Come on now, the full name. Bholi. At last she was able to say it and felt relieved as if it was a great achievement. So, speaking out the name, full name of hers on the very first day was like a big achievement for Bholi. Well done. The teacher patted her affectionately. Patted her means she tapped her back. You know, when somebody appreciates you and taps on your back, that is known as patting. Affectionately means lovingly, and said, put the fear out of your heart and you will be able to speak with everyone else. Bholi looked up as if to ask, really? So this was her first day to school. Now this question, does Bholi enjoy her first day at school? No. At first, she did not enjoy her first day to school because she was very frightened to go to school. When the teacher asked Bholi her name, she was actually stammering. But then, when the teacher encouraged her in a soft voice, she gathered the courage to speak her name. Her eyes were, you know, they were her eyes showed that she was totally scared, but then slowly and steadily she gathered courage because of the kind hearted teacher who encouraged her to speak and told her that nobody will laugh at her if she will speak properly, and she encouraged her and gave her emotional support. Does she find her teacher different from the people at home? Yes, of course. She found the teacher different from others which were at home because she was friendly, she was kind-hearted, and she gave her courage to speak without stammering. Now let's move further. Yes, it will be very easy. You just come to school every day. Will you come? Bholi nodded. So she nodded. She said yes, I will come to school. No, say it aloud. Yes. And Bholi herself was astonished that she had been able to say it. Astonished means she was surprised that she was able to say this, that yes, I will come to school. Didn't I tell you? Now take this book. The book was full of nice pictures, and the pictures were in color: dog, cat, goat, horse, parrot, tiger, and a cow, just like Lakshmi. And with every picture was a bird in big black letters. So this teacher gave her a book in which there were pictures, and there was a word with every picture in black letters. In 1 month, you will be able to read this book. Then I will give you a bigger book, then a still bigger one. In time, you will be more learned than anyone else in the village. Then no one will ever be able to laugh at you. People will listen to you with respect, and you will be able to speak without the slightest tremor. Understand? Now go home and come back early tomorrow morning. Bholi felt as if suddenly all the bells in the village temple were ringing, and the trees in front of the schoolhouse had blossomed into big red flowers. Her heart was throbbing with a new hope and a new life. So see, her first day in school, the early first day in school, she was very frightened. It was not a very good experience. But later on, when the teacher supported her, gave her a book, and told her that in a month's time she would be able to read that book, and then a bigger one, then another bigger one, and then she would not stammer, and everybody in the village would respect her, would listen to her carefully. So it was as if a new life had come and trees had blossomed, and this was a new phase of life for Bholi. So this is how her first day of school, early first day of school, was very frightening, very scary, but later on she was very happy to go to school. Okay.